Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple flicker effect for your music videos. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag an adjustment layer onto our clip like so. We are going to go to the effects panel and we're going to search geometric color. So I'm going to drag and drop the geometric color on our adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go to the effect controls, go to basic correction. Then I'm going to set keyframe. So the first one I'm going to do is over here. I'm going to go 2 frames. I'm going to add another keyframe. So the first one, what you're going to do is you're going to increase the amount to, let's say, 5. Go to the second keyframe and decrease it to about -3, like so. So now I'm going to copy and paste these keyframes. Copy. Or use Alt and drag them. So 1, 2. I'm going to make sure that they are in 2 frames interval. So that's what I'm going to do. 1, 2. Like so. So I'm going to do it to the end of where I want the effect to stop. And I can preview this effect like so. Yeah, effect ends here. Let's drag this adjustment layer to this side. Now you can see how it looks. So thank you for watching my video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be dropping more tutorial videos soon.